My fiance ordered my Cricut Joy Xtra for me because I'm currently living in Santa Cruz with him and I didn't bring my Maker 3 with me. So this is me unboxing it. So I did get a bundle. I think all the bundle stuff's in the second box. This one first. Here's the Cricut Joy Xtra. Here's the box. Out of the box. I had my eye on the Cricut Joy for a really long time, thinking I could have a portable Cricut. And I really didn't know this came out, I think a year or two ago. Obviously, it had some time to be worked with, and I've seen really great reviews. Also does everything the Cricut Joy does, it's just a little bigger, and you can print and cut stickers on it. Here's the welcome card. And it comes with user guide, warranty, activation card. What I like about Cricut stuff is it usually tells you what it is on the back. Writable, permanent, smart label. 2 removable smart vinyl sheets. Pretty sure that's an iron-on transfer tape. My fiance ordered this for me because he really wanted some stickers for his hard hat. And I'm a spoiled little brat. Okay, so here's the Xtra. I like how it's pretty sleek. Personally, I didn't want the blue in the Cricut Joy, so it's really cool that this is going to be a little more aesthetically pleasing with my Maker 3. What else is in here? The power cord, a little weeder, a fine point pen in black. What I learned about this Cricut Joy Xtra is that it works with all of the Cricut Joy markers as well as the blade housing, foil transfer, whatever you call it. We'll put that right there. That is the main Cricut Joy Xtra unboxing. So if you just get the Cricut, that's everything it comes with. Okay, now that we went through everything that's in the Cricut Joy Xtra box, I got the everything bundle that included the 1-month Cricut Access subscription. A bundle of joy. Actually, he's in his playpen right behind the camera. Hi. So it came with the basic tool set, the heat transfer vinyl in the neon pack. The one that I really needed is the permanent vinyl, and it comes with red, white, and black. Each one is 9.5 inches by 12 inches. A roll of the transfer tape. So it's 9.5 inches by 20 feet. The cool thing about the Cricut Joy Xtra is that it takes smart vinyl, which means you don't need a mat. I will end up getting the mats just because they're convenient. Black, gold, silver, glitter gel pens. Some more permanent vinyl in yellow, blue, and green. Smart label, permanent paper. 9.5 inches by 12 inches. I really don't know what this is, to be honest. The one that I really was excited for was the printable sticker paper. And it comes with 8 sheets, and they're 8.5 by 11 inches. That concludes my unboxing for my Cricut Joy Xtra. Next, you'll see me working with some of these materials. I'll give you a better review on how it works after that.